So this is our orders table. This is our shippers table, right? Now, when I hover on this, ship via is highlighted. If you come here and start looking for ship via, you will not see it, but that doesn't mean they are not linked, right? The table, the shipped ID or shipper ID is the primary key here. The content of this column is the same with that of Shipvia. Understand that? And then, but their names are different. So the primary and foreign key must not have the same name. That's why you even need to make use of your ERD most times, because it shows you how these tables are connected, even when you're not familiar with the tables. If you want to interpret this relationship between the orders table and the shippers table, we'll see that it has a one, that is one shipping company, right? Has is linked to many orders, which makes sense in a business sense, because many orders are sent through different shipping companies, and one shipping companies processes many orders, right? If my shipping company's name is Debbie Lahotte shipping company, and I work for Jumia, Ibedion processes one order, it comes to my company. Iobami processes one order, it comes to my company. That makes it two. All of you, you place orders and it comes to my company and I ship them, right? So that is one to many relationship. Select. Would leave this select blank because I'm not going to type. Select from customers table. Okay. C dot contacts name. From customers table, right? Then join. In this case, we are still using the inner join because we are trying to get matching values. So if you are trying to get all the values, you have to structure your join in a certain way. So, but let me write this. Join. So we have our customers table. Let me understand how they are linked so that I will know how to carry out the join. I could use my ERD, or I could just open the tables to see how they are related. So we're joining products, customer, and so on. So when I open order details, I have order ID, product ID. Here I have order ID, so that means I can join these two tables. And I have customer ID in the orders table, so that means I can join customers table to the orders table. So that's what I'll do. So I'll say join orders, give it an alias on c dot customer ID equal to o dot customer ID. So I'll perform another join. Who is next? Order details is linked with order table by the order ID column on o dot order ID equal to od dot order ID. Another join is the product join. I'll check how they are related. Product ID. Product ID is in the order details table. So I'll come back and say join the products table. If it's an alias P, and join on product ID in the order details table. OD dot product ID is equal to P dot product ID. Now, what do we want to see? We want to see the customer name. We want to see the product name, product name, and we want to see the total sales. The total sales is in order details, and we need to multiply this by this to get the total sales. So we'll come back here, we use sum OD dot unit quantity times OD dot unit price total sales. Good. Remember, when you run this, right, it will get a group by error because from what we learned last week, if you're aggregating any column, you must put the unaggregated column. If you have a collection of columns just like this, more than one columns, and you aggregate just some columns, the unaggregated columns must go into the group by clause. So that's what we'll do. Say group by. Let me just copy these guys. Okay, so when we run this, it works. So basically, we see the customers that bought certain products and how much they spent on that particular product. So Maria Anders bought several different products and the price she spent on them. So if we want to get a more structured report, we could say order by total sales. In descending order, I want to see the top spent. To see the top spent. So someone spent $23,000 on one product. So that's that, and that's how we carry out joins with aggregation.